What do you need for incredible aerial imaging? A brilliant camera, an aircraft you can trust, and the intelligence to make every shot cinematic. The new Phantom 4 Pro has all this and much more. The Phantom 4 Pro camera has an f2.8 aperture, mechanical shutter, and large 1-inch sensor, coming together to make brighter, more detailed imagery. Record cinematic 4K video at higher bit rates with more advanced compression and a wider dynamic range. 4K 60 frames per second recording gives you stunning, detailed, slow-motion aerial video. The Phantom 4 Pro is as adept at stills as it is with video, capturing every detail at 20 megapixels. Its mechanical shutter eliminates rolling shutter bending. Grab the perfect moment using burst mode. All of this makes the Phantom 4 Pro the most advanced aerial camera ever found in the Phantom series.
The Phantom 4 Pro is now a huge step forward. I'm taking photos of the lava when it's darker out and the glow of the lava is coming off of it. The image sensor that's in this camera now is 1-inch sensor, 20 megapixels. That extra dynamic range allows me to really get everything into one shot, and in the landscape, that's extremely important.
See your shot clearly, even in direct sunlight, with the new ultra-bright 5.5-inch monitor that's more than twice as bright as most tablets. Inside is DJI LightBridge technology. It automatically detects interference and switches from 2.4 to 5.8 gigahertz transmission at takeoff, cutting through the noise for more reliability.
The built-in monitor on the Phantom 4 Pro is so bright. I'm actually able to see in direct sunlight, and that's really allowing me to compose my shot and get what I really want to capture.
Active Track has now been expanded with 3 new intelligent flight modes. Profile tracks your subject horizontally from any side. Spotlight locks the camera on a subject while you fly in almost any direction. Circle swings 360 degrees around the subject. Tap Fly has also been improved, adding reverse tap fly, making it perfect for aerial selfies. Flying the Phantom 4 Pro is even more worry-free. A set of rear visual sensors has been added to existing forward and downward sensors. Combined with new infrared obstacle sensors on its sides, the Phantom 4 Pro has 5 directions of sensing. If image signal is lost, it returns home while dynamically avoiding obstacles, and even flies back along its original flight path until signal is regained. Every minute in the air counts. The new high-capacity battery flight time has been increased.
Hi, my name is Ellie, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take your new PowerEgg drone from the box to the flying field. You start by taking the charged battery out. Then you check the battery status by pressing once. If all lights are on, the battery is fully charged. Unfold the holder and the standard controller and attach the base station to it and open the antennas. Connect the base station and controller with the cable. Then switch them both on. Now it's time to set up your PowerEgg. Unfold the arms. They are durable and the drone can be held from the arms. The camera is opened by removing the cover. Insert the fully charged battery and start the PowerEgg by pressing one short followed by one long press. Then you deploy the legs by pressing the button 3 times. Finally, you take out the already attached propellers with both hands. Next, you open the app and connect the drone with the base station. If you do this for the first time, please see our calibration tutorial. Always when flying, make sure you're in an open area without any electric wires, high buildings, or other obstacles. Also, always follow the local regulations. Step 1. Switch the remote controller to E mode and step away from the aircraft. The aircraft should be facing the same direction as you are. Unlock motors by positioning both joysticks towards the bottom center like a V. takeoff. Push the joystick slowly to let the aircraft rise steadily, or use the automated takeoff. To activate the automated takeoff, press the takeoff button until it vibrates and the drone hovers in the air. You fly your PowerEgg using the sticks or using your Maestro gesture controller. Moving the left joystick up and down on the controller increases and decreases the flight altitude. Moving it left rotates the aircraft left, and right rotates the aircraft right. Moving right joystick up and down makes the aircraft move forward or backwards. Moving the joystick left or right makes the aircraft go left or right. The right finger wheel turns the gimbal left and right. With the right finger button, you can take photos or shoot video.
You've waited all day for the best light. You've waited for just the right moment. The Typhoon H Plus gives you the confidence to capture the best shots you've ever taken. With this aerial camera, professional-grade features are accessible at any skill level. Capture incredible imagery with a large aperture 1-inch sensor camera, capable of 20 megapixel stills and 4K footage at 60 frames per second. Typhoon H Plus comes equipped with Intel RealSense technology, a sophisticated collision avoidance system that detects obstacles and intelligently navigates around them. This aerial camera is powered by a newly redesigned Android-based ST16 controller, which includes a large, high-brightness 7-inch integrated display. Leading its category in stable flight and quiet operation, the large 6-rotor airframe is extremely stable in winds up to 30 miles per hour and is 40% quieter than previous Hex models. Capture those perfect moments with the all-new Typhoon H Plus.
When people say the sky's the limit, we ask, why stop there? This is the relentless spirit and passion of DJI, and from that, we have created another glimpse at the future of possible. This is the Mavic Air, the newest addition to the DJI family, and another great leap forward for the industry. The Mavic Air takes cues from all of DJI's landmark drones of the past and yields something unique and new in the process. From the sleek chassis to the incredible technology inside it, it's a work of art that produces works of art. It is incredibly compact, so you can take it everywhere. It's exceptionally light, making it nimble in the air without sacrificing stability. The Mavic Air's powerful camera is housed inside a compact 3-axis gimbal system and is the only drone of its size to have one. Captures slow motion in full HD at 120 frames per second and takes still photos at 12 megapixels with low latency. The new and improved panorama mode captures stunning 360-degree photos at the push of a button. The Mavic Air's optimal flight performance means more time in the air to get all those incredible shots. With 21 minutes of total flight time, 4 kilometers transmission distance, and a max speed of 19 meters per second, you can go farther, faster. The Mavic Air's striking industrial design is the perfect union of form and function. And even with its compact size, Mavic Air remains stable in unfavorably windy conditions and at higher land elevations, something that was once only possible with larger, more expensive drones. The Mavic Air is easier than ever to fly. The new APAS system allows the Mavic Air to detect obstructions in real time and fly around them without stopping. Multiple environment sensing cameras ensure the safety of the Mavic Air while flying. With front and back obstacle avoidance sensors, the Mavic Air sees more obstructions faster. Active Track now allows multiple object detection, which means more flexibility for object tracking. Quick shot modes like Asteroid and Boomerang get you professional camera moves automatically. The controller is as sleek and compact as the Mavic Air itself.